Welcome, students. I am Mrs. Rideout, your librarian. I will be working with you on your economics review project for Ms. Carisella's class. You have both library and economics objectives for this class. These are your library objectives. Basically, you will be using research skills and your critical thinking skills to answer a question that Ms. Carisella will assign you. Then you will be using the writing process and technology to create a finished product. Your economics objectives for the project are to review concepts you have learned in class by summarizing information that is related to key vocabulary, and demonstrate your understanding of the concept and how it relates to the subject of economics as a whole. Your overall assignment is to take the question you have been given, research your answer, create a PowerPoint, write a script for your voiceover, and then record your presentation using Screencast-O-Matic. I will be giving you a demo of Screencast-O-Matic at the end of this presentation. You will be provided with a timeline and a rubric to assist you. Here is an example PowerPoint presentation. I am presenting the concept of supply and demand. Supply and demand is the relationship between the quantity or amount of goods a producer would like to sell, which is their supply, and the amount of goods people will buy, which is the demand. Some related terms you will need to understand are equilibrium, which is where supply and demand are equal. Producer, one who makes the goods. And consumer, one who purchases the goods. The supply that a producer has is affected by the production technology, the cost of the labor, and the cost of production. A producer's goal is to not spend more in production than will result in a decent profit, and to not make more of a product than will sell. The demand for a product will depend on its purpose, the price of a substitute product, the income of the consumer, what the consumer is willing to pay for the product, as well as the seasonal effect in the purpose of the product. For example, someone will probably pay more for Christmas wrapping paper in December than they will in July. Equilibrium occurs when supply and demand are equal. A producer prefers for their product to be in high demand, meaning that many more people want the product than is available. Therefore, they will pay more. A consumer prefers for a product to have an excess supply, meaning they can get the item for less money. Sources I used in my research were the Britannica Online Encyclopedia, and my graph was found at the website for Investopedia. Thank you.